Welcome to a new lightweight sustainable walling solution for commercial and residential applications. In the next 2 minutes, we'll show you how you can cut down building time using the SanteQ building solution. SanteQ is a lightweight walling system typically used for non-load-bearing walls in hotels, student accommodation, multi-story affordable housing developments, hospitals, schools, remodeling of existing multi-story buildings, as well as new builds with lightweight and energy-saving considerations. This modular cellulose fiber walling system is erected on-site using a cementitious polystyrene and admixture composite infill, comprising 80% recycled materials, which is pumped into the wall. What are the advantages of using SanteQ over other methods? The SanteQ lightweight walling system is filled with a specially designed composite of recycled polystyrene, cement, and admixtures. Together with a prefabricated cellulose fiber formwork and the high-impact molded inserts that make up the entire system, the cured weight is between 500 and 700 kilograms per cubic meter, including skim plaster and paint, representing a weight reduction of more than 70% when compared to traditional masonry materials. By using non-flammable boards, all components are able to withstand fire for 2 hours. When burning, the system does not give off toxic gases. Due to the air trapped in the infill, the system offers 2 to 3 times sound insulation and noise reduction of a traditional wall. The infill material comprises of 100% recycled polystyrene, which acts as insulation that reduces heat transfer through the walls and saves significantly on heating and cooling. The lightweight walling system has amongst the lowest carbon footprints of any construction system. 79% of the infill as well as the high-impact molded inserts are recycled. This reduces the waste that would otherwise go to landfills. The cellulose fiber boards are produced from the pulp of farm trees only and have been certified by the Green Building Council. The infill bags used are also reusable. The walling system is assembled and erected quickly and cleanly on site with minimal waste on prefabricated orders. Services are installed, the infill is pumped into place, and the joints skimmed. Due to its simple design, the wall is assured of being plumb, and the build quality is consistent. Timing and budgets are predictable, and construction times are reduced with a decrease in project management and financing costs. The walls pass the knock test. Plastering of walls is no longer required, and the wall can be skimmed and painted or just painted. The wall system is able to carry acceptable loads without pre-fitted bracing. The surface of the board can be covered by ceramic tile, wallpaper, wood panels, and other materials. For more information on the SanteQ wall system, contact Jonathan Peel on email address info@santeq.co.za or go to the website www.santeqglobal.com.